Hi, I'm Claire and I'm part of the sales team here at Don Amott Leisure Kingdom in Hilton, Derbyshire. And I am going to take you around our very first 2023 Tab Mexican sunset. It is a 400, so it sleeps 3. This is the unknown to Wendy and myself. So I've got the spec. It might help, it might not, but this is one quirky little caravan. And when Wendy said, "Are you going to do a Mexican sunset?" I thought I was having a cocktail. I should be so lucky. So as we go around, you can see beneath here is where we wind the legs down. You can see it is on an Alco chassis. And this is our gas locker store. So come and have a look in here. This is relatively exciting for somebody like myself. So this is where your 2 gas bottles go. But if you get a Mexican heat wave, your chock, so you don't roll away, are stored in there. You'll never lose them. How amazing is this? So as we go around, we have got the entrance door. I swear we're doing this the wrong way around, Wendy. Winter fridge covers. And we've got underneath storage. So when you look in here, you can see the drainage for the water. You've got underbed storage. You've got a main socket just there. This thing has got 5 mains sockets. Wow. We've been here 10 minutes looking for the 5th. We both achieved when we found it. So you've got 197 kg of storage space. It measures 2.25 wide and the length is 597. And you can have an awning on either side. Wendy, show them the awning rail. So you've got an awning rail here and an awning skirt type rail there. I'm not sure what sort of awning is going to fit on this. We'll leave that to Ash and Andy and the shop team. Don't say I said that. And on this side, you've also got an awning rail and skirt. It's got a Truma heating system. That's something that we're all used to for heating the inside and your hot water. You have got a mains socket plug there to plug your mains into, so you're powered. Look at these little porthole windows. Life doesn't get much more exciting. Cassette toilet. So that'll be a fresh water flush. And here is where you fill the water. So, this is great, Wend. Connection, by the way, it's a 13 pin to your car. So let's go and have a look inside our Mexican heatwave. So, as we go in, you will see it is as trendy on the inside as what it is on the outside. Underneath the bed are the cushions to make this into a small bed. But do you know, it really is comfy. Wendy will come and show you inside here. You've got your nighttime blind there, but quirky storage, it's a real void in there. You've got reading lights and you've also got your main socket. So we have socket number 2. Safe luggage holders there, so you can pack up there, and hopefully when you park up on site everything's still in there. A nice big window with a fly screen and a blind. Where's the cocktails? You look really comfy. It is, it's lovely. Really, really nice. And the other side, you've got another porthole window.
Does this make into a single bed?
This does make into a single bed with the cushions under there.
Okay.
A nice, deep kitchen sink. Looks a little bit like my dog bowl, but there we go. And inside here, you've got lots of storage. So 197 kg, but if you put any motor movers and things on, that does need putting into the equation. As we look around this side here, we have got a socket, number 3, and you've got a 12 volt socket there as well. Storage here. 3 gas rings. Storage drawer.
there's a lot of storage, isn't
It's
there?
great. This is really nice. You probably won't see this side, but you can actually see you've got your gas isolation taps.
Yeah. Yeah.
A fridge that works on mains and gas, and whilst towing, if the car and the caravan are compatible together, you'll be able to keep the fridge cold. I feel like it's that little and sweet we can sit in here and